Globe showing Europe-Africa world news headlines today. Global tensions rise as diplomatic talks continue. Economic uncertainty impacts markets worldwide. New technology trends reshape the future of AI. Climate change concerns grow after extreme weather. Major political developments shake global relations. Energy crisis sparks debate across nations. Healthcare innovations bring new hope worldwide. Conflicts and peace talks dominate global agenda. Space missions mark new era of exploration. International trade policies face new challenges. Inflation pressures affect economies globally. Cybersecurity threats increase across digital platforms. Education systems evolve with online learning trends. Renewable energy projects gain momentum worldwide. Migration issues raise concerns in many countries. Defense strategies strengthen amid rising conflicts. Scientific breakthroughs open new possibilities. Global leaders meet to discuss future policies. Natural disasters highlight need for preparedness. Social media continues to influence public opinion.